Okay, so first thing guys, before we start the lineup, I need you guys to understand the shape of the jaw underneath the beard, because this is what we're going to be using pretty much as our guideline to line the beard up. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut right behind the jawbone, right there, not too deep. The second thing we're going to do here is we're going to clean up the stray hairs on his cheek, just so we can get it ready to go in with the straight blade right after. Now, when I'm lining up the neck area, I want to go corner of the jawline to top of the Adam's apple area. That's typically how I like to do it, because if you go too high up, you're going to end up looking like this guy. Now we're just going to cut the little stray hairs that are sticking out, if you notice anything, just so we can level out the beard from the bottom. And up next, we're going to line the beard up. So key thing to keep in mind, guys, to get like a good even looking lineup, make sure you align the line on the cheek with horizontal to the line up in the bottom. That's what's going to give you the most even looking lineup, in my opinion. One finger to hold the skin so it doesn't stretch, and with the other hand, just line it up a little bit. Now we're gonna shave down that remainder of cheek hair that's up there with the shaver. Now I'm just gonna trim a little bit more stray hairs if I see anything sticking out from the bottom there, just to even it out. Just carve it out like that. And now we're going to basically trim the mustache. So to trim the mustache, I'm gonna grab a number 1 guard. I'm gonna go down with the grain on the mustache. And then I'm going to grab my trimmer and just line it up right above his lip. Get the side there too. And the top of the mustache also. Now I'm going to get ready to shave his neck. So in order to do this, you need to prep the skin basically, because if you don't prep the skin, you may cut the client. Depending on how sensitive someone's skin is, you can really irritate the skin. So what I like to do here is I like to use a hot towel first to prepare the skin, soften up the hairs a bit, let that sit for about 2-3 minutes, get it nice and warm. And then after that, I'll grab some shaving gel and put it underneath his neck here. Now when you're shaving somebody's neck, most people's hair growth grows upward, but try to always go with the grain. So in his case, it grows up, so I'm going to go with the grain, but always try to go with the grain, because if not, you can end up cutting someone or really irritating their skin. So just go with the grain and just up to that line there. You have to also make sure that the client has his neck fully stretched out in these moments, so that way there's no tugging on the skin. I'm just gonna wipe off the remainder of the shaving gel there. Yeah, there you go. That's the end result. And yeah, just take these tips and either use it on yourself, or if you're a barber, use it on clients, and get some fresh looking beards going on. And yeah, just let me know in the comments what other kind of video you guys want me to make, and I'll do that ASAP. See you guys next time.